How to establish a clear project goal with a simple formula. Getting clear on what you need to do is critical for completing a project successfully. After all, the project plan is derived from the project goal. Improper goal formulation may thus result in a destructive domino effect in the project developed in this manner. Milestone delays, cost overruns, requirement changes, team conflicts, and other issues can all cause problems. Goals should be achievable and clearly stated. There are two popular techniques for doing so, smart and clear. But in my opinion, it's far more important to demonstrate the project's purpose in the business context. It's frequently assumed that the project's goal is to provide an application, system, solution, etc. This, however, is not true. The project's goal is to produce something tangible that will allow for new results that will create business benefits. The formula is divided into three parts that are interconnected. It clearly outlines the customer's requirements and expectations in the context of business. The project deliverables must enable these anticipated business results. This isn't about how fancy the product is. It's all about being purpose-fit. See, a simple example of a project goal I posted in the comments section. Finally, a significant point. You, as the project manager, are only in charge of the first section of the formula, for providing products that build new opportunities in a given organization, allowing them to generate business outcomes. Don't even attempt to be accountable for the business effects of your project. This job has been assigned to a different person, to the project sponsor.